After launching the application, startup screen with the built-in services are loading, takes a few seconds, so simply wait until the initialization process is complete. You'll arrive at the main dashboard. Here you'll find several built-in tools. For this demonstration, we'll begin by selecting Scan Device. This allows the application to analyze the device and prepare it for the rooting process. The application now starts scanning your device automatically, and finally generates a complete compatibility report. The application displays a detailed summary of your device. Tap Proceed to root to continue. You're now on the root options screen, where you can customize the rooting configuration before starting the process. Begin by enabling OEM unlock. Turn on bootloader unlock, followed by custom recovery. Enable BusyBox installer, switch on superuser access. After all of the required options have been enabled, tap Start Root Process to continue. The application now begins preparing the rooting environment. It starts by checking device permissions. The application downloads the files required for the rooting procedure. You'll see the download progress update in real time as each package is retrieved and prepared for installation. Allow every file to finish downloading before the process continues automatically. Once the downloads are complete, the installation phase begins. The application now installs the required root components one by one while configuring the necessary system modules in the background. The progress indicator continues updating until every installation task has been completed successfully. With the installation complete, the application performs the final rooting operations. The rooting process has now entered its final stage. On this screen, you'll see a live console displaying each operation as it's processed in real time. The application begins by initializing the secure environment, then loads the virtual root interface and detects your device configuration. As the process continues, it verifies root access, checks the system security policy, mounts the required system partitions, and reads important device information. It then generates the required identifiers, applies security validation, calculates file integrity checks, and prepares the remaining system components. Every completed task is added to the console log, allowing you to monitor the entire process from start to finish. While these operations are running, simply wait until the progress bar reaches completion. Once every task has finished successfully, the application automatically proceeds to the final confirmation screen. The dashboard also shows the completed features, including root access, OEM unlock, bootloader unlock, superuser access, custom recovery, and BusyBox installer. To finish the procedure, tap Proceed to reboot. After the device restarts, the new system configuration will be applied.